Hi everyone, this is Oppo from Oppo Art. I come here with my new project. So you are seeing here the children park structure. So there are roughly 15 structure including amphitheater, bench, breeze, entry gate, fountain, and also a lot of things, park house. So you can see here, this is the park house and it's a light for the park at night, and also the fountain base, also a monument, some kind of, and a gate, and then this is iron bridge. So there are two bridge, one is long and two is a bit short, and then here is a amphitheater there, and also a hide and seek structure there. So yes, uh, so these are come with their individual textures, and here are the textures and also the materials. So roughly 15 models, individual models, game ready with the 15 materials. So I will continue it in Unity fast and then Unreal. So this is the fast part and substance. So I use here kind of marble, old marble look. You can see here some kind of dustiness, and also the old look is there also. You can see here the monument is, I used metal for this one, and you can see on the roof of the park house some kind of rustness is there. So I try to achieve the color of old materials, oldness. So this is part one done for me from substance. I will see you in UT. Thank you. Hi guys. This is the second part of the project, and this is from Unity. So this is from Unity HDRP. So you can see here, I just arranged the assets like this. So I use HDR sky, some kind of in between the forest. So here is the amphitheater, here is the hide and seek ground, and if I can maximize this one, you can see better. So here is the amphitheater. You can see the actual texture is applied. So here is the hide and seek ground, and also the two bridges from the back, and also the house, the park house, and here is the fountain base and two plant greeneries platform, and also the monument is there. So I use some kind of trees. It comes with the HDRP pipeline. So this tree asset is, I just use it for to get the idea that how it's gonna look like. So yeah, and also the monument and the gate is there. So if I can minimize there, so this is the the actual FBX is there, and then here is the textures. All the textures are 4K. So, and also there is the materials. All the materials are there, fully ready. And also you can get it kind of a prefab. Yes. So here is also this package prefab ready. So 15 prefab you can get. So if I can take another one, it comes like here, and also fountain, or you know, the park house is there, and the light is there. So okay, so this pack is fully game ready and fully customable with you know, with the prefab, and prefabs are also comes with the collider, so you don't need to worry about this thing. So it comes with the materials and the collider, so you need to just use it in your project, that's all. And this is the tree base 1, the tree base 2, also the monument. So okay, so you can see here this project is fully game ready. Hope you like it, and this is the second part completed. I will see you in Unreal. So thank you. Hi everyone, this is part 3 from Unreal. You are seeing here the project, the part project from Unreal 5.3. So you can find a little bit of post-processing flavor in this. I use kind of a bloom, color correction, and soft shadow, ambient occlusion, and also a little bit of vignette you can find there. So you can see here the materials are working properly. Yes, so you can see the shine and all that, the metal materials is working properly. Okay, so you can find here the park material, the park textures. Here are the textures, all the textures is there. So you can find also the materials. So these are 15 assets, got 15 materials. So you can, if I go there, so you can see the materials. Okay, also here, okay, and you can find here also the prefabs of the assets item. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I can go and double click there, so you can find here this asset fully ready for redeploying the project, fully textured. So I can, like Unity, what I can do is I can bring any assets in the Unreal viewport, any assets, and the assets are fully ready and centered. You can see there is a problem. the Unreal users usually face that the pivot position. So you can see all the pivot are correctly centered of each object. So this is fully game ready. You can build your own level or own scene with the asset, your own garden, children park. So yeah, so this is from actually Unreal. Yeah, so this is the last part. Okay, so thank you for viewing this assets and this project with me. Thank you for being with me, and keep supporting me. I will come again and again, as I promise to you. Just support me. I will come with this kind of stuff, this kind of projects, and keep visiting my channel and keep going my asset store. And you can find the link in my channel also. If you need this asset, if you need this pack, so you can purchase it from there. So please do subscribe my channel and stay with me, and I love you all. Stay with me, please. Thank you.